There are many routes to a great career. They may start with a dream.
I want to travel the world.
I want to help businesses grow.
Sometimes they don't seem the natural choice.
But I really enjoy it.
Success doesn't always come easily. And there are personal challenges to face.
I didn't realise how much I was taking on. I'm wiped out.
Oh, I failed.
Something's wrong with Dad.
But with perseverance, you can reach your goals.
Accountancy has opened up a new world. I know my dad will be proud of me.
I'm back in the game and helping businesses see into the future.
I passed the second time, and now I'm changing people's lives.
Is it time to think about your own professional journey? Be inspired. Discover the stories of those who excel.